Hi, welcome to Progecad Malaysia. Today I'm going to discuss about two things. One would be to increase the workspace on your monitor, to increase the size of the workspace on your monitor. From here you can actually see that there is actually two dialog boxes that is visible on the left and the right hand side. The second thing that we like to discuss is about how to actually create shortcut keys using your keyboard to execute a command, so it is faster and quicker for you to do your production drawings. Now let's look at the first thing that we want to talk about. On the left and the right hand side, there's actually two dialog boxes, and in order to increase your workspace, you might not want to have these two dialog boxes to be visible on your desktop. On the left hand side, the properties dialog box, you can actually remove it or disable it using the top left hand menu under this icon called properties. Just click on it and it would disappear from the screen. Now say you wanted to actually check information of your entities or items on your screen or objects on your screen. You highlight the items and then click the properties again to have it visible, and you can actually check the details of that property. So we'll disable this. And then on the right hand side, we have two palettes. We can actually reduce this or auto hide these two palettes. Click on this called auto hide, click on it and it will auto hide. And every time you want to use the two palettes, what you have to do is just point your mouse over to the edge and it will pop up. And now if you have no intention to use the two palette, you can actually create shortcut keys on your keyboard so that you can just type on your keyboard and it will be quicker and faster in that sense to execute a command. Just how we do that, we will go into settings, and then under settings there is called the menu icon. There are actually some shortcut keys that is already available and set it up under the default when you install Progecad. And now we're going to change some of the default so that it suits your needs and requirements. We click on this and then select menu. A customized user interface dialog box will pop up. Go under customize, Progecad, aliases, click the plus sign, and then say now we see this CP. CP is a shortcut key for copy. So let's demo this. I typed on the keyboard CP, enter, and I get to copy the block. And now I'm going to change it to CC. So maybe this is what you require or what you wanted. So let's change to CC. We click back the same menu icon. Click the plus sign on the Progecad, plus sign on the alias. Then we scroll down to CP. And we're going to change this alias name to CC. We click on copy just to double check the command name. Then we click apply. And now say you want to add a new short key. You go to aliases, right click, and then insert aliases. In order to set the aliases, you must know the full command name. Now let's create a CP for copy. We have already changed copy to CC for the shortcut keyboard. Now we're going to create a CP for the same exact command name again. So we insert aliases. Then in this title, we'll type CP, enter. Now under the command name, we'll underscore copy. Once we have done, we just apply, click OK. And now we will try the shortcut keys that we have created, as well as we have changed the from CP to CC. So let's type CP. Basically, it will be the same command, copy. Because we have changed the alias to CC from CP, we will need to actually close Progecad software and then reopen the Progecad software again. Once we have restarted Progecad application again, you type CC. The command will execute as copy. So CP and CC would be the same command, which is copy. We go back to menu. We will change or we will delete the CP because we have the CC short key for copy command. So we will highlight CP and then right click, delete the alias, and then apply. And now when you type CP on the keyboard, it will not execute any command at all because the short key has been removed from the alias. So we will just use CC as usual to copy and paste. These are the two things that I would like to share with you today. I hope this will help you. Thank you and goodbye.